recording a video. Do you want to trade places?
We're not supposed to move around.
Oh, we're not supposed to move around. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Say hi, Monica.
Hi. Do you like this?
Okay. And then we should say hi too. Say hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. One of those. Okay.
He's looking the other way.
Hi. Oh, you're saying hi to yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Look, there's a
bye-bye.
creek that went under.
You want to say hi, Grandma Monica? She's right there. You want to say hi, Grandma Kathy?
Hi, Grandma Kathy.
Say bye-bye.